Hey, superstars. Hey, what's going on here? Hey, this is Wesley Virgin. What I want to do, I want to give you guys a tour of my $250,000 closet space here, okay? Let's see how much money I'm up here today. I'm up $18,000. This is one company here. And listen, I'll leave a link below that you can click if you want to know how I do that. But I thought I would start this video with some inspiration. I'm Wesley Virgin, and started from the bottom. But as you can see here, life is good. And all I want to do is share with you to allow you to see this, to see it's possible. Now, I know what you're thinking. You may say, Wesley, it's no way that your closet is worth over $250,000. Well, I'm going to show you proof. But I got a shipment in. Let me give you guys some strategies or some tips once you make a ton of money. Once you become this wealthy person that you want, this is what I do. I just got a shipment in from Saks here. These are Versace boxers here, underwear. I only wear Versace and Moschino as well. And let me show you why I'm showing this to you. Listen up, please. And comment below. Let me know where you're calling from. I'm curious here. Put in the comment section below, and always smash the like button for your boy Wesley Virgin. Let's go. And I'll do more lifestyle videos like this. You know, it's one thing to tell people what they should do to make money, but it's another thing to show you the actual lifestyle, right? Because you just don't want money. You want to spend the money on something. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm here. Now listen, the reason why I have all these boxers, right? You may say, Wesley, why do you have so many different boxers here? Because every 30 days, write this down. This is what I do. Every 30 days, I switch out my underwear, okay? Smash the like button if you're still wearing the same dirty drawers you wore last year. That's nasty. Stop doing that, okay? Every 30 days, Wesley Virgin, listen close. I change out my underwear. Let me show you something. Let's move to the closet, okay? Look at here. I'm gonna show you the closet space in a second here. Look, you see this? This gotta go. This has been here for 45 days, so I would take this. I'm gonna put all these boxes in the trash, okay? Does that make sense? Now, I know some of you guys may think it's crazy, right? It's insane. But listen, to me, this is normal, right? This is normal because, one thing, I'm a king. Another thing is I want to be clean. And I'm not saying that you have to do what I'm doing here, but I think of myself as a king. And I want you to think of yourself as a king or a queen as well. And it's up to you what you want to do with the money. A lot of you don't know what you will do with the money. As a matter of fact, comment below, what would you do with $1 million? What would you do if you earn $1 million per month? I mean, this is not a big deal. And don't think I'm the only person that does this. Kim Kardashian, I'm pretty sure she don't wear the same panties every single month. Floyd Mayweather, right? So, you know, this is nasty. Get a little dingy, you know. You don't want any lines, any feces lines, fecal matter on your jaws. It's disgusting, right? So we're going to throw that away. But let me show you guys the closet here. Smash the like button if you want me to show you my closet right now. And I'm going to prove to you it's worth a lot of money. And I know it's a little insane. But listen, one day, the money that you want to make, you have to spend it on something, okay? You got to spend it on something. Don't be one of those people that just have a ton of money in the bank and still living like a pauper. I don't believe in that. I think it's wrong. I think that you should contribute money. You should give money away. You should bless other people, and you should bless yourself, starting with yourself. So here we go. All right, look here. So this is the right end of my closet here. As you can see, I have clothes here. And the reason why I say it's worth about $250,000 because alone I have over $100,000 worth of shoes. So you can see here, I got a Versace robe here, okay? I have a bunch of jeans here. And these are the type of jeans that I buy. I don't even wear a lot of these because I don't go out that much. I work. A mirror jeans here. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to leave a link under this video here that you can click if you want to know what I do and how I can mentor you, okay? So click that link later, okay? So these are just clothes here. You see here, I have some Valentinos here. I got some Pharrells here. And I want you to imagine, okay? Imagine one day you, right now, having the opportunity to have this many shoes, right? This is Fendi here, Louboutin. I got that from Paris. Got that from Paris as well. That's Fendi. I think I wore that shoe one time here. And if you look up here, we have a bunch of shoes here. We got some Yeezys right here. That's $1,500 here. And like I said, I'm not bragging and boasting. I'm just letting you know, because a lot of people like yourself that are working to have this type of lifestyle, well, you want to know how people like myself live. And I don't think it's enough videos on Instagram or YouTube that's actually showing people what they're doing with their money. You know, you got other people like, oh, I'm buying houses today. I'm buying investment properties. Okay, that's cool. But I want to buy some fun stuff as well, okay? So smash the like button if you appreciate this video right now. Listen close. Look, got some Chanel shoes right here. Chanel. We got Valentino right there. Can everybody see that? Smash the like button here. That's some Burberry's right there. Louis Vuitton. Those crystals, those cost me $3,000 from Paris. I got those from Milan as well. We have some Balenciagas here. I got the Jordans here. Well, these probably one time the Sixers. What are these? The Sixers? You know, they're pretty much brand new. And the great thing about it, a lot of these shoes I haven't even worn yet. Got some Jordans here, and got a ton of clothes. More clothes here. See there? Jeans here, all types of jeans. Versace, Fendi, Givenchy. These are all my workout clothes because you know Wesley Virgin like to keep that body tight. How many of you keep your body tight? Listen, I'm a young man, and as I get older, I got to look better. Okay, so if you overweight, and I'm not judging, but if you fat and overweight, get your butt to the gym, okay? Take care of your temple. This is the only temple that you're going to have for the next 70, 80, 90, or 100 years, so take care of yourself. Most people don't do well because they don't feel well. So take care of yourself. See all these shoes here? Now, you may think it's insane why I have so many shoes. I probably have 300 pair, and I have another closet that I'm going to take you guys to too. I have 2 closets, okay? Look, the reason why I have this many shoes is because I don't wear socks, okay? That's one thing about me. I don't wear socks. And I don't wear socks because, well, they're uncomfortable. And I think my feet look good, right? So they long, but you know what they say about people, with long feet. Big feet here. They got big ass socks, right? Let's go. Listen, so here's the shoes here, and I like to have a lot of workout shoes. I want to have at least 45-day pair of workout shoes, so I can have a new shoe every 45 days. Did that make sense? And I change out my sneakers every 3 to 6 months. Like every 3 to 6 months, I would donate all these sneakers here, okay? And now I'm gonna give them away. And smash the like button if you see something you like. You can always reach out to me, and I'll either sell it to you or give it to you. Here's my Burberry's here. Here's my Christian Dior here. Yeezys here, more Gucci's, and a lot of these shoes, ladies and gentlemen, I haven't worn yet. Okay, Fendi here, Fendi. Look at this, King West. If you want to know where I got these sandals from, this is cool. Write this down. If you ever want to be rich, you know, always put your goal close to you. My goal is $100,000 per day, which is $3 million per month. And if you smash the like button, I'll give you guys the website to go get these from. Is that cool? I'll probably leave it below. Okay. Billionaire. You know, I'm serious about it, and I really truly believe in manifesting your dreams and manifesting the things that you want here. So it's important. Anything that you want, remember something. Write this down. You get what you think about most of the time, and you will manifest what you feel about most of the times. Okay. So if I'm always seeing King West and, you know, I see 100K per day, billionaire, well, that's going to change my actions, right? On a daily basis, right? All right, here we go. Got a little bit of time. Smash the like button if you're enjoying this. And I'll do a sequel to this video to show you more things here if you don't mind. If you guys want me to do a tour of my Miami home. This is Louis Vuitton here. A bunch of shorts here. playboy. I'm not a player, guys, so stop it. I am not. Listen, I don't want to be a player no more. I'm not a player. I just crush a lot with one woman, okay? Listen, I'm a one-woman man. If you didn't know that, I'm not one of those guys that's out here just because I'm rich and trying to bank every woman on the planet. Let me tell you why about that. Let me tell you why I don't do that. And a lot of rich people do. A lot of rich men, I know them, they want to bank everybody, like once a day, new girl. The reason why I don't do that, one, because some women's energy is very negative, right? It's nasty. She can be beautiful. She can just be gorgeous, right? But her energy is kind of, distorted. Two, I hate to say this, but I'm not going to say a lot. Some beautiful women that you think are so beautiful, so gorgeous, right? And you want them so badly, they're dirty. Okay, when I say they're dirty, I mean like their cars are dirty, the homes are dirty, bathrooms dirty. So you got to think about the type of woman you want to be around. And sometimes we think that the most beautiful women on the planet are the cleanest. They're not. Now listen, I'm not saying that you're not clean, young lady, okay? But there's some women out there. I'm just letting you know it is what it is, okay? So you have to be careful with your energy, man. Don't just be out here banging everybody on the planet because you got some money. Me, I like to stay in my bubble, stay kind of alone. Anybody that's close to me is like one or two people, and that's the name of the game. Look, Christian Dior. And write this down. Once you make a ton of money, learn to be by yourself most of the time. What you're going to learn when you make a ton of money, everybody wants to be around you. All your friends and all your old friends and all the people that you never cared about. They want to be a part of your entourage. You don't need an entourage. Stop it. You're not Drake. You're not Lil Wayne. You just be by yourself. Because a lot of people that you're going to hang around, they're going to resent you. They will. They're not going to be happy for you. You think they are, but they're going to be like, I want to be the man. I want to be the... Right? So you have to learn how to travel alone. That's what I do. Okay? And if I don't, I only have one or two people that'll ever be around me most of the time here. So there's more clothes here. So listen, did you guys enjoy that tour? Hit the like button. And what I'll do is I'll do another video to show you guys my other closet as well. Just hit the like button. Listen, the reason why I wanted you guys to see this is because I want you to know that even though this is probably insane, maybe this is stupid. Why would you have so many shoes, so many clothes? You only have one body. Listen, being rich and making millions of dollars, it's not just about fancy things. It's about having options. Okay? It's just about having options. The reason why I have 8 cars, because I want an option to drive a new car when I want to. The reason why I have more than one residential property is because sometimes I want to be in Houston. Sometimes I want to be in Miami. Sometimes I want to be in Houston and hang out in the rain. Sometimes I want to go to Miami and, dive butt naked in my jacuzzi on the 47th floor. Does that make sense? So you get wealthy not because you want to brag, not because you want to be the superior person. You just want to have more options, okay? Does that make sense? It's just all about options. I just want to have the option to do what I want to do, and that's what I want for you. So all this wealth that you want to acquire, remember, it gives you options. You just get options. You get more options than the average person. How many of you right now smash the like button if you just want more options in life, okay? Smash the like button right now. Okay, and like I said before, I promise you guys, there's a website below. If you want me to mentor you, teach you, to show you how I've done this. I'm an internet marketer, and that's what I do. And it's easy. I create products, and I can do them very quickly. Listen, I can take anybody, including you, big head, in 45 to 60 days. If you listen to me, if you hold me by the hand and allow me to guide you, I can bring you up to 10,000 per month. I've done it many times. It's easy. I'll leave that link below. Listen, in life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. Everything that you see here started from an image in my mind. As a matter of fact, let me show you one last thing. Guys, can I show you one last thing that's going to be very powerful for you? Hold on, give me a second. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see this. Hold on, let me turn the light off. Hold on. All right, look. You see that? That's a vision board. I created this vision board 5 years ago. How many of you have a vision board? Smash the like button. Look at this. I'm gonna tell you a story and I'm gonna let you go. Maybe 7 years ago, me and my daughter and my son. My daughter actually, shout out to Deasia, my baby, my boo. She helped me make this. And we used to live right down the street down here from the place that I am right now. And I remember this like it was yesterday. It was on an air mattress. And every night they would come into my room, and I had them for the summer. Like, I don't have my children full time. And we created the vision board. It took us a couple of hours because we created that one, and we also created this one. But let's focus on this one real quickly here. And listen, you're gonna learn something. Every night, me and my children, we used to look at these different vacation spots around the world and say that we'll travel to. Say, hey, Dad, we're in Paris tonight. We're on the Eiffel Tower. Hey, Dad, we're in Hawaii tonight. You know, we're hanging out with the Hawaiian people, wearing those nice little grass skirts. Hey, Dad, tonight we're in Africa. All right, we're in a safari. I mean, I swear to God, I had no money at this time, but I was picturing a better life. And listen, I had problems, adversity. I couldn't pay my rent certain time. It was tough. I even had to give blood, right, to eat. It's embarrassing. But even with all that stuff that was taking place in my life that a lot of people would think was negative, I chose to focus my mind, and I was teaching my children how to do this too. Because I wasn't rich, but I truly believed that I was going to be wealthy. And I realized that I can't keep looking at my past, and I can't keep exacerbating negative situations that have already taken place in my life. So I was teaching my children, I say, hey, whatever you want, you must picture it first. Whatever that picture is, if that's what you want, I want you to look about it. I want you to look at it. I want you to think about it every single day, every night. So that's what we did. You know, the crazy part is, me and my children here, we have been to over 10 countries. I've been to over 40 countries. They've been to 10 countries in the last 2 years. 10. Okay. And if you look at here, let me see if I can take this out. I'm gonna end this video in a second. Ooh. Look, you know what's so crazy? Wow. You know, one day you're gonna do the same thing. Smash the like button if you have a vision board. If you don't, go get one tonight. Not tomorrow. Go tonight, okay? I created this vision board 7 years ago. True story. Okay? Now look at this. Let's go through all the cars that I have, and I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'm gonna leave a link below. You can click it. If not, if you want more information, if you want me to mentor you, I will do that. If you don't want me to mentor you, hey, guess what? Just stay the person that you are right now. Keep searching YouTube, trying to make money. And obviously you see something right now in front of you that can change you. It's gonna take some work, but it's worth it. Look, G-Wagon. I've had 2 G-Wagons so far. What is that, a Bentley? Not sure, I don't know. See, look at 2 G-Wagons. That's crazy, right? I got a green G-Wagon. I've had a black one. Look, see this Rolls Royce? Well, I didn't get the Wraith, but I do have a Cullinan. I have the Rolls Royce Cullinan right now. Lamborghini. I don't have the Aventador, but I do have the Huracan. And look, you see what's crazy? Look at that's me. Look at that. You see my hair? Look at my peanut head. That looks so different, right? That's me 7 years ago. Broke West with a dream. Just letting you know that it works. I don't have the Audi, but I do have the BMW i8. Okay. So majority of these cars I already have. Listen, it's possible, and it's possible for you. Okay? It's possible, and it's possible for you. I'm gonna leave a link below. Grab it. I'll leave you with these words. In life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, leg out.